Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Caesar, and in this video we are going to talk about the YouTube Ranking Masterclass 1.0, the first 5 lessons, and let's get started. The first lesson, David, is going to talk about ways to make money online with YouTube and which affiliate networks you can use to make money online. The second lesson, David, will show you how to rank videos in YouTube step by step. The third lesson will show you a golden nugget keyword strategy for finding buyer keywords. This is important because David will show you how to find video ideas. The fourth lesson will show you a bonus tool demo for graphics and creating thumbnails for videos easily. This is very important because you can make your thumbnails easy and very professional. And the fifth lesson will show you how to find and create content in a special tool demo. This is important if you don't want to show your face in the videos. Okay, talk to you soon, guys. Bye.